Here's the next fan in my grandmother's house. This one's a Hunter Infiniti. I really like this one. This is like the first fan I played with when I was little. I used to pull the chain all the time. There used to be a crystal chain on it. I think that got moved to the kitchen, in the kitchen fans. But I'll turn it on here for you. There's medium. This is also a quiet fan as well. And here's high. I really like the motor cover vents. I think it reminds me of my Ashford that I used to have in my bedroom. Let's turn it off. So there you go. There is the Hunter Infiniti ceiling fan in my grandmother's house. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below, like the video, smash the subscribe bell, and I'll see you in the next one.